If you're ready to enjoy a healthy natural hair journey, then go ahead and watch this video till the end as I share with you how to make and enjoy using this Moringa hairspray. This hairspray is such a powerful hairspray and you only need one ingredient, which is Moringa leaves, to make this hairspray. Hi beauty, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, you are most welcomed. Do not forget to subscribe, like this video. Let's go ahead. So basically you need moringa leaves to make your moringa hairspray. Moringa leaves is such a miracle plant filled with nutrients that our hair will definitely enjoy and benefit from. Moringa leaves is packed with vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E, iron and zinc, and all of these nutrients work together to nourish your scalp, nourish your hair strands, strengthen your hair strands, as well as keep your overall hair healthy. Now you need moringa leaves. However, you can also use moringa powder if moringa leaves is not within your reach. So whichever one you have, whether it is moringa leaves or moringa powder, just go ahead and use it the same way I'm going to be using my moringa leaves right here. Both are very healthy for our hair, and almost every part of moringa plant is very great and beneficial to not just our hair but our health. So here I have my freshly picked moringa leaves. You also want to make sure you clean your moringa leaves properly. You want to make sure they are clean from dirt before you go ahead to use it. Now I have just introduced my moringa leaves into the bowl. Next I'm adding my hot water. So you want to add your hot water, or you also can steam directly on heat, but I decided to just pour hot water all over it. Make sure everything is right into the water. Then I will go ahead to cover this and leave it for at least 2 to 4 hours so that it will infuse properly. Once it infuses, you will notice that the color will change a little. So like I said, you can also steam directly on heat. I have been using this method just because I feel like it helps to preserve all the nutrients. It helps to keep all the nutrients intact. Now after about 4 hours, this is what I have. Now once it is like this, go ahead and strain it or filter it and you have your hairspray ready. Easy peasy, right? Okay, so next is to transfer into your spray bottle, any spray bottle of your choice, and then go ahead to use it. Now there are 3 ways you can actually use this to strengthen your hair strands, nourish your hair, nourish your scalp, and keep your hair healthy. And one of the ways is actually to use it as a final hair rinse, especially on your wash days. After washing your hair with shampoo, rinsing it off properly, you can pour this all over your hair as a final hair rinse and allow your hair to sip in all of those goodness that comes with moringa, and then let it air dry. And also you can also use it to re-moisturize your hair, to hydrate your hair and keep your hair from drying out, especially before you go to bed or days or times you feel like your hair is dry. You can apply it all over your hair, then go ahead and moisturize your hair. That is to say, hydrate your hair with moringa hairspray, then go ahead and add in your conditioner of choice, then lock in the moisture with your oil or butter, and then your hair will definitely enjoy and benefit from this moringa hairspray. And also this will keep your hair from drying out. This will reduce split ends, hair breakage, and even your scalp will also benefit from it. Your scalp will be free from scalp concerns or scalp issues, and you will literally enjoy a healthy scalp and healthy hair. This is because moringa is packed with nutrients that are so healthy for both the scalp and hair, and so this will help your scalp to be free and prevent any scalp issues. Keep your hair healthy, grow your hair, nourish your strands, and definitely improve your hair. And so if you have not been using moringa hairspray, or hair rinse, then this is a sign for you to try it out. Use it consistently for a period of time and your hair would definitely become more healthy and you would definitely enjoy your hair, especially if you're having itchy scalp, dandruff. Then go ahead and try this hairspray or try the hair rinse and you will notice how your scalp is going to feel and become more healthy. Also, you can use this to mist and hydrate your hair, especially if you're like me, wearing natural hair more often. If you're the type that wears natural hair more often, then you will understand the need to always hydrate your hair to reduce dryness. So use this as your hair mist and keep your hair healthy. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Stay healthy, stay beautiful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.